guys, good morning. I got Sabrina with me, and we're actually going to be going to the Black Bear Diner to get ourselves some Bigfoot chicken fried steak, because that just sounds super delicious right now. She was like, I want either eggs Benedict or chicken fried steak, and I'm like, well, either one of those gets knocked out at Black Bear, so we're going to head over there real quick, grab ourselves some breakfast, and then we'll see what the day holds for us. Alright, so we made it to Black Bear, and we are just letting Hades go to the bathroom before we head on inside. Favorite part about Black Bear is that their menu is literally a newspaper. So you get into it, and bam, there's everything. And let's see, there's the Bear's Benedict right there. That's probably something that you're interested in. But yeah, what I always get is the Bigfoot chicken fried steak and eggs. Bam. And that's for the Hungry Bear breakfast. Can't go wrong. Our food just got here, and look at these sunny side up eggs. This is like picture perfect. And yeah, I'm like, yeah, look at these biscuits like big as your hand. And then bam, got the chicken fried steak, eggs Benedict, and those country potatoes look hella good with a little fruit bowl. Woo! Damn, looking good. Dig it. Alright, I tried, but I'm so full I couldn't finish it.
I didn't even try because I cannot eat that much.
That's fair. That's like a good like lunch right there though.
So fire. So fire.
Heck yeah. Oh. Alright, so freshly full off of our breakfast, we are gonna go get some Starbucks. Huh, pup? You want a pup cup? Oh god. You're in the shot. You're in the frame, Hades. You're lucky everybody on this vlog channel likes you. Where are you going? Where's he going? Oh, you want to drive? He wants to drive today. Look at him. He's like, I'm gonna learn how to drive. I got this. It's hot. It's hot. It's a hot one today. It's gonna be a really hot weekend, so everybody try to stay cool out there. Yeah. And four pumps of vanilla syrup.
You don't have to do a
And all right, and that's gonna be it for that drink.
Okay.
And then, can I go ahead and get a white chocolate, or actually, let's go with the sweet cream cold brew.
Yeah, what type do you like it?
We're gonna go ahead and do grande. Yeah. Perfect, and that's gonna. Oh, and also a pup cup. Awesome, thank you. Oh my god, that person's got a Sailor Moon sunblock cover on their car. Fighting evil by moonlight. Such a gentleman when he has his pup cup. And Sabrina's on her scooter, and Hades hates scooters, so that's fun. Hey, it's Sabrina on a scooter. You gotta love her. Dude, it's literally Sabrina. You can't be barking at her like that. That's rude. Alright, well, have fun at work. We'll see ya. Alright, bye! Basically, the hottest part of the day right now. Me and Sabrina, we just split. She's going to work, and I'm just trying to stay cool now. It's literally 90 degrees out. And I know people have asked me what I do for heat and like how I manage heat. Basically, I have my sunroof blocked off, and I have all of my visors up in the back. So it's pretty dark back there, but that is repelling all of the heat, and so it's not that bad in here. But I mean, I do have my door open, and we're just chilling in a shaded spot in a parking lot. It's nothing too crazy. But, I mean, that comes with the territory of van life. It's like, I don't really have much to do. So the main goal of focus is to just try to stay in a cool area. which kind of sucks because for solar, like I'm not getting anything charging like on my solar for my Jackery and stuff. But that's okay because it is, I believe, at like 95, 96%, which is nice because that first like peak sunburst in the morning from all the way to like 10 o'clock, I'm getting like 15, 18 watts half the time. And my wattage comes through a little low because I do have stuff blocking, like I would say maybe 25% of my solar panel. So the solar panel doesn't draw in as much as it should because it is getting blocked, but it covers what I need to. And if I really wanted to get full coverage, I could easily just take it off and like prop it somewhere better. But I'm fine with what I get for it. And half the time when I am driving around, I have the Jackery like cigarette lighter plug that goes right into it and charges that way. So I'm not wasting any like electricity from the starter. Just, hey, you know, charge up that Jackery as well. But yeah, other than that, like I said, we're just chilling in a shaded parking lot. I'm probably just gonna be watching some memes and checking out some other YouTubers and watching their videos, getting some more ideas and stuff. It's gonna be a chill rest of the day. I really don't have anything planned. I'm probably gonna mess around with my yo-yo, so you guys will probably see that. And I believe Sabrina and I are actually gonna go follow a band around starting tomorrow. But this whole weekend's gonna be hot, and the band is gonna be like touring in like some of the hottest places. And so like it's 90 right now. At least it's like a dry heat, but I believe on like the 2nd they're going to Fresno. And if you're not from California and you don't know like the ecosystem of the Bay Area, like Fresno's not even Bay Area, but still it's like Central Valley, and the valley gets hot. It's hot. It's probably going to be like 115 out there. And she's actually talking, like, I think she did already reserve a hotel room for us. So that's actually going to be fun. I haven't slept in a bed since like Oklahoma. So that was already a while ago. But yeah, like a hotel sounds great. I know Hades will definitely enjoy that. He's so dark I can't even see where he is. He's keeping cool though too with his water dish. But yeah, there's no way that I would be able to like even leave him in the car. Like it's just way too hot unless like I left the AC running and locked the doors. So yeah, I'm not even trying to risk him. That's my baby. But yeah, so basically the hottest part of the day, it says at 3 it's gonna get up to 92, but I mean I don't really distinguish 90 from 92 all that well. It like anything from like 90 to 95, like that's all basically the same heat, and then 95 to 100 is miserable, and then anything past 100 I don't want to fucking be alive. I don't deal with heat well at all. I'm a very hot person, so it's just not fun for me when it's hot out. But yeah, that's a good little fill-in about me. Let's go ahead and do some yo-yo tricks.